Cool. Oh, did you get $1 this time? You did. $1, Sunfish.
Ew.
Oh.
You okay?
It's big.
Whoa.
Call it warm now.
Look at that. Nice. All right, Ryder, you ready to go fishing? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Fish Guy Josh. He's my son Ryder. Mom's working the camera today, and this is father-son fishing. We're out on a quick little family Father's Day getaway to a local creek. We're gonna do a little bit of sun fishing, ultralight fishing. Should be a blast, maybe a bit mosquito-y, but I think we're gonna work our way through it. It's gonna be cool, and we're gonna do it all.
Wicked.
That'll work. Mom could just be a cameraman and film whatever she wants. You ready?
Look how big that pile of mud is.
I see that.
There's rocks on the earth and mud on the other.
We're gonna walk over to the creek where we like to swim to.
What creek? Where the water flows down?
Yes.
And goes into the drain?
Yes, there's the other end of the drain right there.
Definitely flowing. Definitely flowing.
It is flowing.
Thanks, buddy.
Now you can definitely catch up.
Now you can definitely catch up.
Man, it blew all the bark off.
Can you help with the worms?
Here.
Or Ryder to step up?
Here, hold our worm.
Can I see Ryder?
It kind of looks like it's a little dead. But the thing is, one is.
Alright. Thank you, sir.
That's always like in my mind the goal here.
Do 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 do. Woo woo woo. Woo woo woo. But I'm gonna walk up this way.
Okay.
This is the easy way for me.
Ew.
Oh, here you go. There's definitely some fish right there.
He's contending with mosquitoes currently.
Thank you. Thanks for keeping those mosquitoes away. I don't have the cool spray you guys have. Let's see if we get a fish, buddy. Whoa!
That was my favorite spot to toot.
That was your favorite spot to toot?
Yeah.
Well, then you nailed it.
Now all that snake can go that way so the stew don't get us. And now you know we're here and well, snake is coming at him.
Wow. The kid is a ham for the camera.
A ham?
Yeah.
What's that?
What's a camera ham?
Yeah.
That's Dad.
What's a camera ham, Dad?
Someone who acts silly in front of the camera.
Do you ever do that?
He's like, oh, I thought you wanted an example of it.
Let's go all the way back there.
All the way back? Ready? Yeah.
Are you going to help me?
Of course I am. Come on. You're welcome, bro. Oh.
You okay? What happened?
You slipped off the back of that rock. Ryder, buddy, that's right where we're trying to fish. Oh, we got one finally, Ryder.
That one finally?
Finally. A little bluegill.
He's medium.
She's medium?
Medium size.
Medium size. Oh no, dude, he might be less than medium size. But still. We got one. I caught a fish on Father's Day. I'm busting my leg open. Cool.
Mission accomplished.
Bleeding and getting bitten by mosquitoes on Father's Day.
Yeah, but Ryder's with it.
I'm not fishing around there.
Well, what?
I need to stay this way.
Oh, yeah, you gotta have a fishing rod facing that way. You gotta go on. You wanna reel it? Or no? Huh? No? You? Okay, there you go. Ooh, cool! Another tiny one. Wow, Ryder. It's even smaller.
You even saw it.
Don't sit on that, it's yucky. Whoop, I like to test that. Ooh, looks dirty. Whoa, Ryder. I think it's a big warmouth.
It's zooming.
It is. Whoa.
It's a big warmouth.
It is a big warmouth. Cool.
Good call, Mom.
Good call, Mom.
It's big.
Whoa.
Call it warmouth.
Look at that. Nice. You give Mom a thumbs up? Whoa. She spotted that sucker. Mom sight fished this warmouth. Look at that mouth. Whoa. Nice.
Let's try and go like whoosh.
Okay, we caught the beast. Nice.
Beastie away.
Beastie away. There he is. Whoa.
He's too tiny.
Oh, dude, it's a long ear.
A tiny one.
Yeah.
He's
Not
like,
a dollar sunfish either. It's a long ear.
but come in the hole where the beast
Whoa.
lives.
Put him in the hole where the beast live. That seems so mean. Look at that. Sweet, dude.
And I put the one there in case he stole one.
In case he stole one?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to try?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Poor worm.
Oh, what a worm? What am I doing?
That was hard.
Did you just have ice cream or something? Hey, are you having fun out here? Oh, yeah? Careful, careful. I'm dealing with a hook here. You seemed to do okay on your own last time. Let's swing it forward and away and down. There you go. Whoa, and it's up. I mean, it's down. Pull it up. Whoa!
A flying fish.
Flying fish. What you got this time?
A tiny, tiny one.
It's a green sunfish.
Green sunfish.
Cool.
That's a tiny guy.
I know.
The smallest one I ever saw.
That's 4 different species, dude. Pull up. Yeah, nice one, dude. Whoa, 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 whoa.
We're not filming this in 3D, you guys.
A nice.
Another nice bluegill. Whoa.
Wait, is there any bait on your hook?
Yeah, it's already under. Pull it
Yep.
up. Yeah, fling it back. Cool. Oh, did you get $1 this time? You did. Dollar
see.
sunfish. See, he's got the spots on his ear flap. That's $1 sunfish, dude. Killer. Sweet.
There are a lot of dollar sunfish in here.
There's some. That's a pretty one.
Do you think there's $500 sunfish?
So that's what? $1, a long ear, a green sunfish, a bluegill, and a warmouth. Oh, if we get a red spotted sunfish, buddy, we get all 5 here today.
Wow. Before it was, I want to catch a fish. Now I specifically want...
Well, you got a long ear, Mom. We got to see if we can do all 5.
6?
Bluegill, green, warmouth. Yeah, long ear, $1. Yeah, 6 would be. Wow, Ryder, that's a tiny fish.
Ryder, Dad got one.
Daddy caught one.
Red spotted sunfish, Ryder.
Oh,
you
let's
did
see.
it.
Is that 8?
Ugh.
That's 6.
6?
Yeah, we got it. 6 species. Red spotted sunfish. Don't have to be sorry.
I don't know what I'm doing.
All right, dude. We got it. 6 species today.
High five for Dad. Tell Dad, Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Thanks, dude. Well, that's going to do it for another home movie. Be kind, please rewind, and we hope that this video gives you the confidence to go out there and do this kind of fishing with your own family. Ryder, anything else to add?
They should bring a kid fishing.
Well said. Happy Father's Day.
Sound of Fun Fishing. Subscribe, please.